Hello again everyone, this is Mr. Hoy here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to determine a side measure of a square given a polynomial area. That's an area that's not a constant, it's not a numerical value, it's a trinomial in this case. So we have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. We want to start off by setting up our area formula for a square. That's a side squared equals the area. And we can take out the letter A representing area and put the actual area. That's 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. And what we're essentially going to do is we're going to factor that term, but in essence it's easier than a normal factoring problem because the fact that we're dealing with a square means that both sides must be the same, or in this case both factors must be the same. And a quick way to find those factors is to take the square root of the first number and the last number. So we're going to take the square root of the 4x squared and the positive 9. So those square roots will give us 2x here and here, and will give us either positive or negative 3 here and here. So in setting this up, what we look to do is determine whether or not this is a positive or negative based on that middle term. We have a negative 12, so this is going to be a minus 3. And the way that we verify this works is we take and we do sort of a modified FOIL method where we think that if we were to multiply these together, we would have 2x here times this negative 3. That would give us negative 6x. And we would also multiply this negative 3 by that positive 2x. So we multiply this term by that term, and we get another negative 6x. And we can verify at that point negative 6x plus negative 6x equals negative 12x. So initially when you're looking at a square, you know these have to be the same. You can just find the square root of both. But at that point, when you set this up over here and you make sure the sign is the same as that middle sign, you also want to just verify this actually works out and gives you that middle term. 2x times 2x is obviously 4x squared. Negative 3 times negative 3 is obviously 9. But it's this part right in here that might be a little more challenging. So as you do these questions, as you set these problems up, you might want to jump to this answer very quickly, but you still want to verify that you get that middle term through FOIL method, through multiplication, before selecting that as the answer.